NVIDIA Jetson AGX Thor Developer Kit, Unleashing Edge AI Power. Get ready for a game-changer in the world of artificial intelligence. NVIDIA is set to launch its highly anticipated Jetson AGX Thor Developer Kit this August, and it comes with a hefty price tag of $3,499, as revealed by resellers. The Jetson AGX Thor is NVIDIA's most advanced edge AI machine to date, designed to push the boundaries of physical AI and robotics. According to NVIDIA, this powerful device can deliver an astonishing 2070 FP 4 teraflops, terafloating point operations per second, of AI computing power, along with a substantial 128 GB of memory. What's more, it offers a flexible power configuration ranging from 40W to 130W, making it a versatile option for developers. The performance leap is significant, boasting over 7.5 times the AI computing capability compared to the previous NVIDIA AGX Orin, while also achieving 3.5 times better energy efficiency. This cutting-edge technology was first introduced by NVIDIA in March of last year, alongside an innovative foundation model for humanoid robotics known as Project GR00T. Built on the latest Blackwell graphics architecture and featuring a custom transformer engine, the Jetson Thor was initially touted to provide up to 800 teraflops of compute power. However, for developers, this figure has now been enhanced to an impressive 2070 teraflops, provided they are willing to switch from FP8 to FP4 sparse precision. Until now, NVIDIA had kept the pricing details under wraps, but with the launch approaching, the mystery has been unveiled. Reseller DF Robot has listed the Jetson AGX Thor Developer Kit at $3,499, which includes a high-performance Jetson T5000-based machine. This powerhouse features a 2560 CUDA-core and 96 Tensor-core Blackwell GPU that operates at speeds of up to 1.57 GHz, alongside a 14-core ARM Neoverse v3 AE processor clocked at up to 2.6 GHz. Additionally, it comes equipped with a PVA v3 Vision accelerator and a generous 128 GB of LPDDR5X memory on a 256-bit bus, boasting a claimed bandwidth of 273 GB per second. For storage, users will receive a pre-installed 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive housed in a custom-built enclosure. In terms of connectivity, the Jetson AGX Thor offers a 5 Gigabit Ethernet port and a QSFP28 connector that supports up to 425 Gigabit connections. It also includes 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, 2 USB 3.1 Type-C ports, HDMI 2.0B, and DisplayPort 1.4a video outputs. Furthermore, it features M.2 M key and E key slots with 4 and 1 PCI Express Gen 5 lanes, respectively, with the M key slot occupied by the included SSD. Other connectivity options include a CAN bus, a 6-pin automation header, a JTAG debug connector, an audio panel header, and a 12V pulse width modulated (PWM) connector for an active cooling fan. Cameras can be connected via the QSFP slot, although USB cameras are also compatible. For those eager to learn more, additional details can be found on NVIDIA's product page, where the Jetson Thor family is still marked as coming soon. Meanwhile, TFLOPS product listing indicates that stock is anticipated to arrive before the end of August this year. What do you think about the pricing and capabilities of the Jetson AGX Thor? Is this the future of AI and robotics, or do you believe there are better alternatives out there? Share your thoughts in the comments below. ASRock Industrial unveils NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit for Edge AI. Imagine an AI brain small enough to fit in a robot but powerful enough to process video from 4 cameras at once, handle autonomous drones, and drive smart city infrastructure, all while operating in freezing warehouses or scorching outdoor environments. Welcome to the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit, unveiled by ASRock Industrial, which promises to redefine edge AI computing with supercomputer-level performance in a compact, energy-efficient package. #The core controversy, power versus practicality. At its heart lies the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin System on Module, SOM, available in 3 controversially positioned variants: Industrial, 64 GB, 64 GB, and 32 GB. Critics argue the memory tiers might fragment the market, but proponents claim they cater to diverse needs, from high-end robotics to cost-sensitive smart retail kiosks. The industrial variant boasts 64 GB LPDDR5 with ECC for error-prone environments, while the 64 GB and 32 GB models prioritize affordability without sacrificing the Ampere GPU and ARM Cortex-A78AE CPU combo, which delivers a staggering 275 TOPS of AI inference, an 8x leap over its predecessor, Jetson AGX Xavier. But here's where it gets controversial. The kit's support for up to 4 4-lane MIPI or GMSLII cameras, explained simply, high-speed camera interfaces for simultaneous video processing, and 12 PO ports sparks debate. While it's a game-changer for computer vision in factories or drones, skeptics question whether most developers need this level of complexity. ASRock Industrial argues it future-proofs deployments, such as multi-camera drone inspections or smart warehouses, where every port matters. Clarifying the complexity for beginners. Key specs for non-technologists. The kit runs from -25 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, has TPM 2.0 security, and supports 5G/4G for remote areas. Expansion made easy, 2 PCIe Gen 4 X8 slots, for adding accelerators like GPUs, and an M.2 slot for 5G modules mean it can grow with projects. The part most people miss, software. The real magic lies in NVIDIA Jetpack 6.2, a one-stop SDK that simplifies coding for AI inference and robotics. However, detractors point out its steep learning curve for newcomers. Beginners can leverage pre-built tools for computer vision, e.g., tracking objects in retail, and robotics, e.g., autonomous manufacturing bots, but mastery requires time. Call to debate. Is this over-engineered for most edge AI use cases, or is its versatility the only way to future-proof against unknown challenges? Share your thoughts. Would you prioritize the industrial variant's ECC memory for reliability, or opt for the 32 GB model to cut costs in non-critical applications? Full specs and controversial design choices. Cameras, supports 4x MIPI/GMSLII for advanced computer vision, e.g., defect detection in factories. Power, 12-48 VDC input with surge protection, a necessity for industrial rigs but overkill for drones? Storage, 64 GB eMMC plus M.2 NVMe slot, balancing speed and cost. Networking, dual Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and 5G modules for seamless connectivity. ASRock Industrial claims this kit is the holy grail for edge AI, but at what cost? The answer may lie in its adoption by AMR robots, smart cities, and remote logistics systems, areas where its durability and customization could justify the premium. Revolutionizing edge computing, InnovizSMART and NVIDIA Jetson Orin integration. Imagine a world where our machines can see and react with superhuman speed and precision. That reality just took a giant leap forward, ***. In a significant move for the world of smart technology, Innoviz Technologies has announced a powerful new alliance. The company, a top-tier direct supplier of high-performance LiDAR systems for the automotive industry, has officially made its InnovizSMART long-range LiDAR fully compatible with the formidable NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin platform. This isn't just a simple software update, it's the fusion of a state-of-the-art robotic eye with a world-class artificial intelligence brain. For anyone developing smart applications, this collaboration is set to dramatically boost speed, enhance performance, and open up new possibilities for scalability. By pairing Innoviz's advanced sensor technology with NVIDIA's prowess in accelerated and edge computing, the entire process of deploying intelligence systems becomes more efficient and powerful. So, what does this mean in plain English? Think of edge computing as having a supercomputer right on the device itself, whether it's a delivery drone, a traffic camera, or a warehouse robot. Instead of sending massive amounts of visual data to a distant cloud server for analysis, the processing happens locally, in real time. The NVIDIA Jetson Orin is a master at this, and by integrating it with InnovizSMART, it can now directly process the rich, 3D data stream from the LiDAR sensor. This allows the system to make critical decisions almost instantaneously. And this is the part most people miss: this integration does more than just speed things up. It fundamentally simplifies the deployment of highly complex artificial intelligence models. These are the algorithms that allow a machine to distinguish between a pedestrian and a lamppost, predict the trajectory of a moving vehicle, or map a complex environment. With the Jetson Orin's AI processing power unleashed, developers can implement these sophisticated models more easily, leading to improved system efficiency and, ultimately, lower operational costs. This strategic partnership is already being put to use by select customers and is a cornerstone of Innoviz's mission to broaden the horizons of its InnovizSMART PLA,